electric vehicles to the latest smartphone chipsets to sixth-generation fighters, the technology landscape of 2024 is profound. These systems are becoming increasingly software-defined, and AI and machine learning are being embedded at every layer of these products. The test and measurement approach must evolve alongside industry changes. Emerson's test and measurement business, previously known as National Instruments, supports engineers and enterprises in achieving their business and product performance goals through a software-centric test approach. Emerson's test and measurement business believes that empowering engineers and experts with the right tools and insights can unlock the true potential of intelligent test, and together it will accelerate any product's time to market, lower cost and improve quality. Joining us is Ritu Favre, the Group President of Emerson's test and measurement business. Ritu has been a pivotal leader at National Instruments since 2019, driving growth and innovation across several key business units. With over 30 years of experience in advanced semiconductor solutions, she brings expertise to her new role. Thank you, Ritu, for joining us and talking to us. And it is so wonderful to be here at the Emerson office, where teams are hard at work all around us to help customers actually meet those product performance goals. And we're so excited to have you with us, and a very, very warm welcome to you.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
Absolutely. It's really a pleasure to be sitting across from someone who is such a visionary and such a wonderful leader in tech. I think you're an inspiration to a lot of us, and of course, someone being at the forefront of technology. I wanted to actually find out from you, what are some of the significant emerging trends you actually see which are going to be really, impacting the industry in the years to come, and how is Emerson's test and measurement business actually prepared for the same?
Yeah, I think the biggest trend that we're seeing that is sweeping the whole world is artificial intelligence.
Absolutely.
All we hear about is artificial intelligence. And as we think about it, in the test space, it is going to have a big impact on how customers design products and how we test products. So the big thing that T&M does inside Emerson is to help engineers innovate and test new methodologies and new products. As we look at artificial intelligence, that is going to change the way the entire industry works, both from putting artificial intelligence into products as well as how you test with artificial intelligence. And so that is the biggest trend that we're seeing. It will change how engineers work, it changes how products will be developed, and it will just change the future of the industry.
Absolutely. And talking about change, it's the only constant, as they say, right? And this is a market which is constantly evolving. Also, as a leader driving growth, what strategies are really crucial for staying ahead in the market, especially in one that's constantly evolving? And how do you actually balance customer needs and demands at the same time?
Yeah, I think that's one of the most important things that a company can be thinking about. And because what Emerson, NI, T&M does is really help engineers to figure out what they're trying to build and then test it and rapidly iterate, one of the key things we have to do is carefully listen to our customers. And a lot of what we do is in our regions, in our various locations, deeply listen to what the customer is saying, use that to then feed our R&D roadmaps, and then use that to continually evolve what we're doing to help our customers then be able to get to market quicker and faster.
Absolutely, absolutely. And talking about a roadmap, we're sitting here in India today, and India is moving really from a technology adoption market to a technology creation market. So what does this actually mean for Emerson's test and measurement business in India, and what are your actual plans for India?
So we're really excited about our presence in India and what we're looking to do here in India. It's very interesting that we started in 1999. We had 3 engineers that started here. Now we have 2 sites in India. One is a sales kind of a site, and one is R&D. And we focus on a lot of the diverse industries that are being funded here in India. So semiconductor, electric vehicles, and aerospace and defense are kind of our key vertical industries. And what we've been doing is we're creating systems, R&D kinds of teams where you can actually prototype all of the different kinds of systems that our customers are going to want to be building and testing here locally in India. So we have a lot of R&D that we're doing here, And then we're also having a Bangalore Engineering Innovation Center where our customers can come in and create systems here that then they can rapidly take into their own facilities and begin to prototype very quickly.
Absolutely. Well, that all sounds very exciting, and I think we're all very excited to kind of see the growth that you're going to witness in the coming years, and all the very best for that. And my final question on something which is very, very close to your heart, Ritu. So can you actually tell us a little bit about your initiatives as an individual and also as a company that involve supporting diversity and inclusion in leadership?
Yeah, so obviously I'm a female and I've been in technology for over 35 years. And I've found that there's a lot of challenges that can happen as you're a female in the tech industry. So I'm a big believer in inclusion and diversity, partly because it helps you make much, much better decisions. It also brings a variety of perspectives and helps people to be able to solve problems in more creative ways. The other piece that I've been very passionate about is women in engineering and in tech fields. And so a lot of that ends up being, how do you put girls into engineering? How do you put them into math and science? One thing that we find in the United States is that there's a lot of kind of bias against girls being in math and science. And what I've really worked on there especially is, how do you encourage women to have careers in engineering so that as they go into the workplace, you can get these more diverse perspectives and have a more inclusive environment where everybody can feel like they can have a part in the solution inside that company.
Absolutely. Having a part in the solution, I think that's what we all dream of, whether, male, female, anyone, that's what the way of the world is. And thank you so very much for those initiatives and that perspective that you've offered us today. And for all those who are watching, who are keen to know more about the company, well, you can definitely visit the website, and of course, the details are shared right here on your screen. Thank you so much again, Ritu, for joining us and for talking to us.
Thank you for having me.
With the evolving business demands of higher quality and faster time to market, the company is integrating a new approach to testing and measurement through intelligent testing. Intelligent test systems can solve problems and improve performance by leveraging data, algorithms, and domain knowledge overseen by experts. Emerson's Test and Measurement Group is where ideas, people, and innovation converge to seize the full potential of today's competitive and fast-moving digital ecosystem. Step into the future of your business with us. Together, let's innovate and create extraordinary success.